To split a payment using Zelle, start by opening your mobile banking app or the Zelle app, depending on your bank's integration. Ensure you have the latest version of the app to access the split payment feature. First, navigate to the Zelle section within your app. Then select the option to send money. Choose the recipient you want to send money to, or add a new recipient if needed. Enter the amount you want to send, but do not confirm the transaction yet. Next, look for the split payment option, which may be labeled as split bill or request money. Select this option to initiate the split payment process. You will then be prompted to enter the number of people you want to split the bill with, including yourself. Enter the names or email addresses of the people you want to split the bill with. You can add them from your contacts or type in their information manually. Make sure to include yourself in the list if you are also contributing to the payment. Once you have added all the participants, review the list to ensure it is accurate. You can then proceed to send the request to split the bill. The recipients will receive a notification with the payment details and the amount they owe. When the recipients receive the request, they can review the details and confirm their portion of the payment. They will then be prompted to send their share of the payment to you through Zelle. You can track the status of the split payment within the app to see who has paid and who still owes. To avoid any issues, make sure all participants have Zelle enabled through their bank or credit union. It is also a good idea to communicate with the group beforehand to confirm the payment details and ensure everyone is on the same page. By following these steps, you can easily split a payment using Zelle and make it easier to divide bills with friends, family, or colleagues. This feature is convenient and helps to avoid the hassle of dealing with cash or multiple transactions.